What's happening, guys? Sorry about that. The free version of Zoom, 30 minutes cut out as we were about to hit TP. We hit TP. I just wanted to recap how the trade went. Because I'm not gonna lie, like I'm pretty impressed with how that went. Like, I've got my lick back. Just to show you. So we ended the day on let me move this out of the way. Sorry, guys. We ended the day only minus $100. Now, bearing in mind, yeah, we were down $1,200 here when it started to run and we flipped. All right. And we went straight to TP. So let me just show you where we were when the video cut out. So I don't know if you remember, just while I was trading, I was saying that basically where would the TP be? Remember, I was saying that the lower draw was here, the 50%. Imagine it smashed into that and reversed. So I TP'd there shortly after the video cut out. And that's it. Like I speak about this on my YouTube channel. When the draws on liquidity have been taken out, you stop. So we read it down to that final draw, which is the 50% of this swing here. Just for transparency, I mean, I'm really gassed about how that went. So let's just go back to the 15-second chart. So the last trade we took was that one. Remember when I said, if we inverse this, I'm hitting it, I'm a savage. That was there. So we read that down, it took that low out, and then I think after that, I mean, I think I just TP'd there, to be honest with you. But you know, because I had a lower draw, that's what I was going for. What else? Yeah, so we ended up only 108. I don't know if you remember, but like on the day we were down as much as, I don't know if it shows us. Oh, here we go. Bro, like, oh, is this the day? No. Oh, it doesn't give us the day. Well, this account, anyway, this account was 1,300. Yeah, this gives the P&L anyway. This account was down 1,300 in the red. I've managed to get this back up. I mean, obviously, we're down $100 today, but if we didn't get those trades wrong in the morning, this would have been a big day. We won it back. Oh, here we go. Daily account balance. Okay, here we go. So we were down. Nah, again, this is the monthly. All right. Anyway, I mean, this has been a journey. This is 500K stacked in Top Step accounts. Here's us at, I think this rolls over from December. We go into, nah, down. Anyway, what's important is we're coming out of drawdown. Look, we was down as far as basically $700 away from balance. 98,700. Okay, not that, but okay, 1,300. Yes, we were down here and we're making our way back up. Obviously, today we ended at a red, but that could have been a really bad day. We could have been back down here. Yeah. I'm really chuffed with how that went. But like I was saying, the draws were lower. It just tricked me, got me. But yeah, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to recap the video. Even looking at this, right? When it swept that, it has shot up, but I guess it's not it, because at the beginning of the session, price shot up. Sorry, in the London session, price shot up and took out that high. So I didn't really have a bullish bias for the day, but when we were chopping around here and it gave me the buy signal, well, first of all, we took the two sells. And then the buy failed, you know, $1,300 in the red on the day, you know, and then obviously, as you saw from the video, how I at some points made a decision to stop trading. But then if the data tells me there's a play there and I still have a lower draw, I will re-enter. And it just, you know, you can't let your emotions, like, it could have been quite easy for me to say, oh, I'm done on the day now. Like, there was a point where I think we went from 1300 in the red to 700 in the red. And I said, right, I'm done now. Today's a win because we stuck to our rules, this and that. But if it gives me another play and my back testing tells me this is going to work and I still have a lower draw, I'm going to take it. Right? I didn't get emotional. I didn't I joke around, but I'm stoic in my decision making. My decision making is all about the data. Like, I know that if I have a lower draw and I get a BME cycle, I'm taking that sell into that draw. And I literally, my last draw was at 50%, which is there. And we sold into it and that was done. That's why I TP'd. And I literally, I spoke through it. I explained why I'm doing it. And then TP'd there. And then obviously the video cut out. And then we went from 1300 down on a day down to only 1200 down, like, sorry, down to only 100 down. So we made 1200, made $1,200 all using that strategy. So I got myself out of a hole, right? I traded myself out of a hole. Like, it doesn't always do that. There's days when I catch it on the first hit, and I'm in profit and then I ride it and I add positions and this and that. But, like, you know, anyway, I hope it's a good demonstration of how to manage a trade, like what I was going through, what I was thinking. And it just shows you what's possible with a skill set. Like, obviously it was still a loss, but to me, that could have been an awful day. That could have took me 2 days to recover that. But when you have the skill set, you can do what I just did just then. All right, guys, that's it from me on this video. Peace.